Adding a new admin user to your WordPress site is quick and easy. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a new admin user to your WordPress site. But before starting, if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button for more informative videos. You need to log into your WordPress website. Once you're logged in, you will be in your dashboard. Now that you're in your dashboard, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Find and click on Users. This section allows you to manage all the users on your website. In the Users section, click on Add New. This will take you to a new page where you can add a new user. You'll see a form with several fields that you need to fill out. Username, this is what the user will use to log in. Email, enter the user's email address. First name and last name, these fields are optional, but it's good practice to fill them in. Website, also optional, but useful if the user has a personal website. Password, click on Show Password to generate a strong password or create your own. Ensure you copy this password and share it securely with the new user. Send user notification, check this box if you want to send the user an email about their new account. Set the user's role. WordPress offers different roles, each with specific capabilities. For our purpose, since we are adding an admin user, select Administrator, click on the Add New User button. Congratulations! You successfully added a new admin user to your WordPress site.